Good morning, dear students. Dear students, welcome to your grammar class. Now, dear students, we are going to start with the new topic, genders. First of all, clear, what do you understand by the genders? How many types of genders are there? From where did they come? Dear students, you have talked about the nouns. So, nouns have genders. जितने भी nouns होते हैं उनका कोई ना कोई एक जेंडर होता है. What is gender? यहाँ पर I am able to see a boy figure and a girl figure. So बच्चे genders can be feminine, they can be masculine. Feminine का मतलब जो girls को express कर रहे हैं, she को express कर रहे हैं, और masculine का मतलब जो males को express कर रहे हैं, boys को express कर रहे हैं, he को express कर रहे हैं. So dear students, all the nouns are living things, and the living things have two type of the genders: male gender, whom we call he; female gender, whom we call she. Now dear students, once again, genders are divided into two parts: masculine and feminine. Masculine gender को हम लोग मेल जेंडर भी बोलते हैं, और फेमिनिन जेंडर को हम लोग फीमेल जेंडर भी बोलते हैं. मेल ही, फीमेल शी. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स स्टार्ट. बॉय मैस्कुलिन जेंडर, गर्ल फेमिनिन जेंडर. मैन मैस्कुलिन जेंडर, women feminine gender. Husband masculine gender, wife feminine gender. Grandfather masculine gender, grandmother feminine gender. Prince masculine gender, princess feminine gender. King masculine gender, queen feminine gender. God and goddess, we pray to God, right? God Shiva. Then we pray to goddess Lakshmi. Wizard is a masculine gender. Witch, a feminine gender. Emperor, masculine gender. Empress, feminine gender. Poet is a masculine gender. Poetess is a feminine gender. Bridegroom, बच्चे who is a bridegroom? जिसकी शादी होने वाली होती है. Male is a bridegroom. और जिस गर्ल की शादी हो रही है, we call her a bride. Now son. Son is a masculine gender. Daughter is a feminine gender. Brother is a masculine gender. Sister is a feminine gender. Uncle is a masculine gender. Aunt is a feminine gender. Nephew is a masculine gender, and niece is a feminine gender. Waiter is a masculine gender, and waitress is a feminine gender. Monk is a masculine gender. Nun is a feminine gender. Actor, masculine gender. Actress is a feminine gender. Sir is a masculine gender, and madam is a feminine gender. Now dear students, do you know even animals have genders? Animals are also nouns, and they also have genders. So let's discuss about the animal genders. Gander is a masculine gender, and goose is a feminine gender. Lion is a masculine gender. Lioness is a feminine gender. Tiger is a masculine gender. Tigress is a feminine gender. Tomcat is a masculine gender, and she-cat is a feminine gender. Drone is a masculine gender, and honeybee is a feminine gender. Fox is a masculine gender. Vixen is a feminine gender. Ram is a masculine gender. Eve is a feminine gender. बच्चे मेल रैम It's particularly a sheep. जो मेल sheep होता है उसको हम ram बोलते हैं. Drake is a masculine gender. Duck is a feminine gender. Pig is a masculine gender. Sow is a feminine gender. Rooster is a masculine gender, जिसको हम cock भी बोलते हैं. And hen is a feminine gender. You know, hen lays eggs. Buck is a masculine gender and doe is a feminine gender. Peacock is a masculine gender and peahen is a feminine gender. See, peacock has beautiful feathers, but you know, peahen is not having beautiful feathers and peahen is not at all beautiful also. So dear students, I hope all these types of genders are perfectly clear to you. Dear students, I am giving you a list of the genders also, but you only have to know that genders that your teacher would be sending. This video is only for your understanding. Thank you.